Hi guys, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show how to create easy and fast hand rig with DUIK BASSEL 2. Let's get started. So I have one Illustrator layer hand vector from freepik.com. I will add download link and project files. Select this hand, go to puppet pin, select this puppet pin, and let's create 3 puppets. 1 puppet, 2 puppet, and 3 puppet. Okay, then go to puppet engine and change legacy. Okay, and go to window, DUIK BASSEL 2, and click this icon. Go to select add bones. Okay, we have 3 pins. Let's see. Okay, so select this puppet, change name 3, select this puppet controller, change name 2, and select this, change name 1. Then select this 1 shape layer, parent to 2, select this 2 shape layer, parent to this 3 layer. Okay, then select this 3, 2, and 1 layers. Go to DUIK and click Auto Rig key. Nice, all rig is done. Let's close DUIK window and close here, and go to effects controls, open icon, change icon size 200 or 300. Okay, and let's select and see. Okay, nice. This is stretch, carton stretch, and all rig is done. Nice. We can animate this rig. Select this controller, press P, make new position keyframe, go to here and move to right, again go to here, move to back, okay, go to here and move to up. Select keyframes, make easy or F9. Let's see. Okay, select keyframes, hold Alt, move to right. Let's see again. Nice. So thank you for watching my tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.